machine ng TITBQ Bohol at nakapag-run po ito ng 108 meters. Ito naman po ang ating print head at ito naman po yung cupping area. Next naman po is kung paano mag-cleaning ng machine. Next naman po is check po natin yung nozzle check ng machine. At ito naman po ang kanyang nozzle check ng machine. Ito naman po yung waste tank natin. Ang last disposal po yan is last week. At ito naman po yung ground wire. At ito naman po yung EBR natin. At ito naman po yung daily checklist natin. At ito naman po yung consumable natin. Isang powder, dalawang white, at isang film. At ito naman po yung workload output record natin na may total of 108 meters. Ito naman po ang in-use supplies ink natin. At ito naman po ang unused supplies natin. At ito naman po yung film supplies natin. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.